10 Best Whiskey Decanters in 2020 brought to you by Advanced Mixology. The main reasons of using a whiskey decanter are appearance and style. Let's take a look at the best whiskey decanters in 2020. Check the links given in the description box below. The James Scott Whiskey Decanter Set as the most affordable whiskey decanter. Our pick for the most user-friendly whiskey decanter is the Iceberg Scotch Decanter Set by Ashcroft. The most environment-friendly whiskey decanter is the Diamond Whiskey Decanter Set. Let's check the top 10 options. At number 10, we have personalized 5-piece whiskey decanter set. Great as a gift option for all occasions, this decanter also comes with 4 old-fashioned glasses. Etched globe whiskey container is at number 9. This globe-shaped whiskey decanter is truly a work of art, making your drinks an exciting experience on its own. At number 8, Ravenscroft Crystal Beveled Blade Container. Ravenscroft crystal decanters are made with high-grade mineral deposits to improve the clarity of the crystal without adding lead. We have James Scott 6-piece crystal bar set at number 7. The mirrored tray that comes with this saves your hardwood desk from water stains. At number 6, Dorchester Scotch Decanter. Created to provide class and convenience, the Dorchester Scotch Decanter comes with a sturdy stopper. Ashcroft 5-piece Twist Bourbon Decanter Set is at 5th position. This elaborately designed Ashcroft masterpiece decanter set is a welcome addition to your office or home bar. At number 4, we have Bourbon Barrel Liquor Decanter. If you are looking for a unique decanter that you can proudly put on display, this is the perfect choice for you. At number 3, Iceberg Scotch Decanter by Ashcroft Fine Glassware. These sturdy glasses are designed to look like ice blocks surrounding your whiskey glass and decanter. Zwiesel 1872 Charles Schumann Hommage Collection Comete Handmade Crystal Whiskey Carafe is at number 2. This crystal decanter is the world's leading choice among whiskey wine connoisseurs. We have Waterford Crystal Lismore Scotch Decanter at the top position. Dazzle your business associates with this stunning Waterford crystal decanter that holds 18 ounces of your whiskey. You can buy any of these whiskey decanters by clicking on the links given in the video description below. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.